both the UK and New Zealand are top tier countries offering great salaries, work-life balance, safety, a good environment, and much more. Now you have passed PLAB 1 and are wondering if this will help you work in New Zealand. Am I now eligible for NZX? Well, you are not alone in this thinking. A lot of international medical graduates consider shifting from the UK path to New Zealand. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly what that looks like, what's possible, what's not, and how to make the switch the smart way. And to the new visitors of our channel, you might even be wondering what PLAB and NZX are. Okay, so let's start with the basics. PLAB is the licensing exam for doctors who want to work in the UK, and it consists two parts, PLAB 1 and PLAB 2. NZX, on the other hand, is New Zealand's clinical exam for international medical graduates. Now here's the thing. Both tests are about proving your clinical skills, but they are governed by completely different medical councils, and the eligibility rules do not always overlap. And now the big question, does passing PLAB 1 means you can take NZX? Yes, it is one of the exams that New Zealand accepts, and along with PLAB, the Medical Council of New Zealand. So that includes your basic medical degree, recent clinical experience, English proficiency, and a recognized exam that proves your clinical knowledge. Now, what's the smartest way forward? So, if your goal is New Zealand and you have already passed PLAB 1, you are at a crossroads. The other option is, if you could continue with PLAB 2, get licensed in the UK, gain some clinical experience there, and then think about moving to New Zealand later. The third and the last is that you could shift your focus now and start preparing for the USMLE or AMC MCQ, both of which are accepted directly by New Zealand. And now you might be wondering, is all this even worth it? Why go through NZX at all? Well, New Zealand is a desired country to work in. The healthcare systems here are well structured, there's a good work-life balance, and the job market isn't as saturated as in some other countries you may see. NZX is a clinical-only exam. Yes, and the seats are limited, so plan well and start building connections by reaching out to experts who can guide you in the process till the very end. And here are my final thoughts to it. Well, if you have passed PLAB 1 and now considering NZX, you are already halfway through preparing for a clinical exam. NZX is challenging, yes, but it's also absolutely doable if you start early and stay focused. With Academically, you quickly build up your clinical reasoning practice, OSA style scenarios, and familiarize yourself with the New Zealand healthcare system. Many international doctors have taken this path successfully, and you can too. If New Zealand is where you see your future, then go for it confidently. NZX could be your gateway to an incredible career and lifestyle, and with the right preparation, you're more ready than you think. It's not about the fastest routes, it's about the one that makes sense for your future. And Academically is not going anywhere, it's here with your journey. If you have got any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. We will answer them. Your journey might be complicated, but you are not alone in it.